Welcome to LT Vegan Living. I'm your host. My name is Gary.
101 Best Vegan Foods by Publications International Limited, published September 27th, 2012.
Allow me to present Sam and John.
Greetings, I'm Samantha.
Hey there, I'm John.
And I'm Gary, the brains behind this podcast. Together, we're dedicated to delivering top-notch vegan insights. Thanks for tuning in and for your unwavering support. Discover the ultimate guide to 101 delectable and nutritious food perfect for the wholesome plant-based diet. Uncover top-notch substitutes for eggs, dairy, and meat that promise both flavor and nourishment, while embarking on a journey of culinary exploration. From agar-agar to zucchini, explore a comprehensive range of foods. Each profiling highlights the advantages, providing tips for selection and storage, offers preparation suggestions, and presents tantalizing recipe ideas. Illustrated with vibrant color photos, every profile is accompanied by a mouth-watering recipe, simplifying the process of incorporating these delights into your vegan lifestyle.
Product details. Publisher, Publications International Limited, September 27th, 2012. Language, English. Flexibound, 192 pages. ISBN 10-145-085-1258. ISBN 13-978-1450851251.
Amazon Reviews. This book is a breeze to read, offering insightful explanations on various foods along with detailed recipes and intriguing facts. Despite not being vegan myself, I found it to be a valuable addition to my collection of resources on healthy eating habits. The book boasts captivating imagery and presents not your run-of-the-mill recipes, but rather a collection of delectable vegan dishes. Alongside its mouth-watering recipes, it also delves into the nutritional benefits of many vegan ingredients utilized. I appreciated the limited emphasis on tofu, tempeh, seitan, and faux cheese. While I thoroughly enjoyed the recipes, I was disappointed to note potential inaccuracies in the provided nutritional information for some dishes. The book's design is particularly commendable, focusing primarily on food and its benefits while offering creative ideas. For instance, it provides a comprehensive overview of arugula, including its advantages, selection and storage tips, preparation methods, and recipe suggestions, which I found immensely useful. Furthermore, it sheds light on the vitamins found in arugula and suggests alternatives for its use in recipes. Certain recipes such as the tofu scramble, lentil curry, and soba stir-fry are exemplary in their execution.
In my view, this book offers a truly comfortable reading experience. It serves as an excellent introductory cookbook for those embarking on a vegan food journey. Personally, it proves invaluable in creating meals aligned with my dietary plan. While I own numerous vegan cookbooks that I frequently utilize, this one occupies a distinct place in our kitchen. It meticulously catalogs various vegetables, legumes, meat alternatives, and the diverse dishes that can be crafted from each ingredient. The recipes are straightforward, utilizing ingredients readily accessible at my local grocery store. Thanks to this book, I've mastered the art of making vegan dishes that rival the fare in taste, all while emphasizing health over convenience. What sets this cookbook apart is its abundance of recipe ideas, empowering readers to carve out their culinary paths. While it does offer simple recipes for rigatoni salad with arugula, accompanied by an enticing photo, it is detailed insights providing for each ingredient that truly elevates it as a kitchen essential. Particularly noteworthy are the sections on food storage and preparation, which are immensely beneficial, especially for those less experienced in handling fresh ingredients. Tune in to The Starch Solution by John A. McDougall, MD. From Sam, John, and Gary, catch you in our next installments. Could you please consider supporting my podcast? If you enjoyed this episode, you could contribute by gifting $5. Alternatively, you could donate through the Buy Me a Coffee website. The address can be found in the show notes. Your support means a lot.
I aim for accuracy, but medicine evolves and approaches may differ. My views are evidence-based yet open to feedback and new insights. No pharmaceutical or medical company funding ensures an unbiased perspective. However, this content isn't medical advice. Consult your physician for personalized guidance on health concerns.